Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we got a super delicious recipe to share with you guys. Today we're going to make super cheesy onion rings. Wow, look at that stretch. You'll need 2 onions. Chop it up to little circles. Separate them out into rings like this. Cut the cheese into blocks. This is because we need to stuff them in the onion rings. Put them in the middle of each onion. Wow, look how the cheese sticks. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Mix it. Half a cup of flour. Half a teaspoon of pepper. A teaspoon of chili. Half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Pour in 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Dip the onion ring in flour. Then dip it in egg. Now coat it in breadcrumbs. Fry the onion rings. Now they're ready to enjoy. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And goodbye guys.